In this guide, I'll walk you through how to download videos using Safari on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. So, let's say you need a video for a project or just want to save one for personal use, you can easily do that right from Safari. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Next, go to the website where the video is hosted. If you're not sure which site to use, a great option is Pixabay, which offers a wide range of free videos. Simply search for it and visit pixabay.com. Of course, if you already have a specific website in mind, you can go there instead. Once you're on the site, scroll down and switch to the Videos section. You can browse through the available clips or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. When you see a video you like, tap on it. You can preview the video by pressing the play button. If it's the one you want, tap the download button. Then, select your preferred quality, let's go with 1080p, and tap download again. A confirmation pop-up will appear showing the file type, usually MP4. Tap download to start saving the video. To check the download, tap the blue arrow icon at the bottom left corner of Safari and open the Downloads section. You'll see your video there, and you can tap it to preview. If you want to locate the file on your iPhone, exit Safari and open the Files app. You'll find the downloaded video in the Recent section.